Hi everyone, welcome back. We continue on this lesson. Today we are going to learn about repeat function. This function is used for image tiling, for image background creation, also creating some patterns. This is going to help us to get those kind of images. And usage is very easy. You are just giving a piece of image and it's going to iterate. It's going to copy that image accordingly in the both of vertical and horizontal case. With the help of numbers you are giving as input. For example, this is the vertical axis coordinate. So if you give here 2, it's gonna copy that piece of image 2 times in the horizontal direction. In the similarly also in the vertical side it's same. So you all you need to do is just giving the numbers in the both direction, vertical and horizontal. And also you need to give source image and it's gonna give you the destination image. So let's switch to the code part and see how it works. This is the example from the previous video. This is the random function which help us to get the random math type of images, so we can use this also for this function. And this is gonna be the input I want to use. We can change the name as input maybe. Okay, also this is our windows. First of all, we can remove this one also. I want to use imshow to see the results, and this is gonna be my input, which is the name is in. And also I need one more output. Okay, maybe here we can specify. And okay, we can call our repeat function the input and output. Sorry, first of all the vertical copy times, let's start with 2, and horizontally 2 also. The destination is gonna be output. Okay, and now I also have the output, so I can show it with imshow, and this is gonna be out, and I need wait key. Okay, seems this is fine and everything fine. Let's see how it works. Okay, now this is my input with my piece of image, and what I want is that 2 by 2 since I gave. I want this image copied 2 times in the horizontal and in the vertical side. Okay, this is, you see, 2 times copied, 2 times also copied in the vertical side. If you change this to 3, this is if I'm not wrong the vertical one, it's gonna copy in the y direction, since I cannot see because it's little bigger. Now I can see this image is copied 3 times, you can check, in the vertical, and still 2 times in the right side. To see how it's used in the normal life, maybe we can create a chessboard so we can understand how it looks like. Let's say this is 2 by 2 matrix we can create, and since chessboard is gonna be including white and black pixels, white and black squares, let's start with the white one. 255, 0, and 0, 255 if I'm not wrong. Okay, now this is my piece of chessboard cell, and I want to, okay, I don't need random function anymore. I want to iterate this in the how many times chessboard x square if I'm not wrong, so 4 times I need to iterate, and let's see the result how it looks like. Okay, now this is my chessboard. Since it's still small, it's little showing the numbers. Okay, now better if you make small. This is the design of imshow. If it is a large and less number of cells, it's gonna show the numbers, but if you make smaller, you only see the colors. Okay, also we can make it more larger. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, now it looks like this. So basically this function is used for, at the beginning I said, for image tiling, for pattern creation, also for some background creation, because most of the times with one piece of image you can create different kind of figures, so it's used for this case. And with this video I just wanted to show how this function works and where it is used, and see you in the next videos.